If your partner's sleeping habits keeps ruining your sleep, then this bed can be a solution. It almost splits your bed in half, so both of you can get what you need. One person can have their side of the bed have a 15-degree head tilt, which reduces snoring, while the other person can set it up to relieve the pressure from their back and helping their body relax by slightly elevating the head and the legs. One person can enjoy the massage mode, while the other person can just elevate their legs for comfort. Neither of you feels the other side move. Each of you gets a good night's sleep without any compromise. This is the Duraflex Wave Plus adjustable bed, a split adjustable bed with independent controls for each side, designed for couples who sleep differently but still want to share the same bed. You can watch the full demo video in the link below.